Hi guys, it's Lily. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, and today I am bringing you a 15-piece ThredUp mixed jewelry box. But before we get into that, I wanted to enlist the expertise and ask your advice on a pair of Jimmy Choo shoes that I got in my ThredUp designer box earlier this week. I am questioning their authenticity, and I'm going to want to explain to you why, and I might be totally off base, but I can't list them until I know for sure. And I researched the heck out of them yesterday. I looked at so many listings, and I'm still questioning. So, I did clean them up last night. I cleaned up so many things last night. I cleaned, I think, 6 purses, and the 2 pair of shoes I got in my designer box the other day, one of them being the Jimmy Choos. Alright, so they cleaned up beautifully. They look almost brand new. Okay, oops. Okay, so first thing, the Jimmy Choo on the inside of the shoe is like heat imprinted. I did see some listings like that. Not many, very few. It tended to be with this style. But most of their shoes are marked with the fabric tag here, that's sewn in perfectly and blah, blah, blah. So that's one reason I'm questioning the shoe. The second one is the bottoms. Every shoe that I went in and looked at that was listed, sold, my nose is itching today, whatever, has a totally different rubber sole on the bottom that has his name throughout the bottom of the shoe, and that's where the size is. Well, this shoe, there's no size anywhere. That's where it should be. So that's the biggest reason I'm questioning it, more so than anything else. I just don't know. I can't list them until I know whether they're authentic or not, and if they're not, then I want to contact ThredUp and follow through this time and get a $22 credit, whatever it is. Because, I let a lot of things go with ThredUp, but I don't want to let this go if they're not authentic. So, I am enlisting your guys' expertise, your advice on if you think they are authentic or not. So I know which way to proceed, because they're ready to list if they are. If they're not, then I need to contact ThredUp. Another thing I wanted to show you is, look how beautiful the heels came out. I don't know if you watched the video, you saw how dirty they were. You might have to go back and rewatch it, because I did both of them thinking I was going to list them, so I don't have a comparison of what it looked like. But I got something new. The cork looks almost brand new again. I got something new that I've been using that I got from another YouTuber. Posted something years ago. I can't remember the name of his channel, but there's no talking. Matter of fact, it's overseas, probably a different language. So you just gotta like watch and really intently watch. Anyway, I bought some, and I tried it last night for the first time on all the shoes and a couple other things. But it's called Resell V8NR, and it's very mild. It's a mild soap. You just add a little bit to like 4 ounces of water, and I use a horsehair brush, dip it in the water and clean everything. And I might show you that actual process one day, but it cleaned up these cork bottoms and these shoes just beautiful. I used them on these, and these came out beautiful. So far I'm happy with that. Supposedly you can use it on patent leather, suede. I'm going to try it on those tennis shoes I got in the designer box, because the resale value for that style is not that high. I found some listed for like $40, and so I'm going to try it on those, and if I mess them up, I think they're my size, close to my size, or maybe even my daughter's size, we'll keep them. Anyway, let me know. I am going to try to do a very short video on edge coating today, because I cleaned that Rebecca Minkoff tote that I got in my handbag box, and I want to get it listed, and that's all I have left to do to get that one listed. So I'm going to try to do a short one today, nothing intense, because that one's not that bad, but I will do a longer one in the near future because I have several that need it. Alright, so with all that said, thank you for helping me out with the shoe thing. If you have that knowledge on the Jimmy Choo stuff, because I won't list anything that I'm not certain of, and so you notice if I opened a lot of stuff, which I have and you've seen, if you don't see it listed in my closet, it's because I'm still fidgeting about whether or not either it's authentic, or not even so much that as I don't have enough knowledge about it to comfortably list it or set a price, or like that Michael Kors dress I got, that's like not one of a kind but close to one of a kind. It is in my closet, not for sale, with some crazy price on it. And that Cartier jacket is also in my closet, not for sale, because I don't know what to do with them as far as pricing them and things like that. So, alright, let's see where this came from, because I don't know. Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Let's see what they gave me today. Get excited over these jewelry boxes now, and I've been watching a lot more. Oh, I see something very loud. I was watching jewelry boxings before, but I'm watching them a lot more now because, like I said, I need the knowledge, because I don't have the knowledge on jewelry. I'm even testing out some I got in the Goodwill Blue box, and because I really liked this necklace, but I wanted to make sure it laid right. It doesn't lay right, so this will not be for sale. It will go in my craft supply stuff. Get some interesting stuff here. Alright, well, let's just get started. Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, 15 piece. I do need to wear my glasses because I can't see this stuff. Alright, this is a very beautiful bracelet. Love it. It does have a mark on it. Let's see. Yeah. You guys are killing me. I need new glasses. These are just cheapy Dollar Tree, as high as they go, glasses. And they're not strong enough. So, let me see. And you know I can't see nothing. Oh, really? No. That says 14 karat on this part. Now, I don't know what this part is. Alright, well, okay, look at it. It's beautiful. This says 14 karat, so I'm kind of doubting the rest of it is gold, but I do believe these are gold. Yeah, 14 karat. 14 karat. I don't see a maker's mark on that. That is odd. Maybe Google Lens will help me out. But that is very pretty. Nice. Alright, so let's get with the loud one. Ready for summer. What do we have here? A very loud yellow short necklace, but it's pretty. I do not see, yeah, it says N. Just in. That is it. A big truck going by. All right, so in. I don't know. I'll have to see what in means. Okay. It's another pretty one. Oh, Lord. Yeah, I'm going to have to watch lots of jewelry videos. This is pretty, looks like cord. They may be silver, but I don't know. But this is the tag. It looks like a clover, shamrock. But it's very pretty. I say a lot because jewelry is not my expertise. I'm hoping someday I will be a lot more knowledgeable. Alright, this is pretty. It says LA. LA. I do not see anything else. But it's a nice ring. LA. Alright. This kind of looks like a Pandora, but I don't know. Yes. What do you know? This is a Pandora bracelet. Very nice. 30. Someone who turned 30. There's a 30 charm. There's a pink charm with hearts. It said 925. Happy birthday. So this is a birthday bracelet for someone who turned 30 that ended up in a ThredUp rescue box. And a daughter at that. This is sad to me. That's sad. Is that not sad? Some mother or father gave this to their daughter for 30th birthday. Give me a second. Sorry about that. That bracelet kind of cut me to the core a little bit. Some history behind that. Alright. That got me quite emotional. Sorry. Alright, so again, BR backwards to each other. I've seen Banana Republic where they're not back to back, so I guess it could be Banana Republic, but the tags that I've seen other people show are not backwards like that. Like, can you see that? The B and the R are back to back, they're not BR. I'll have to look again, but that is very pretty. It's a very pretty statement necklace. Okay. Pure Vita bracelets. I'm sure that has some significance. It's just string. I'm assuming adjustable, yeah. I will look into that because I'm not sure what the significance of this is, but I'm sure it means something. And we have some fashion jewelry, some very loud lime green leaves. I don't know, I'll have to lot these up with a bunch of other ones or keep them. It's kind of loud. Plastic, those are plastic. All right. I've got some good pieces here. All right, this says I can't read it. Let me see if I can read it better this way. Oh, Stella and Dot. It is, this is the back, this is the actual back of the earring. And that is the post. So it goes through. It's cute. These are cute. It goes through just like that. Those are pretty. I like those. I may keep these because I like those. Stella and Dot. I ain't barking at nothing. Yeah, barking at nothing. Very nice. I like those. I will probably keep these because they're light and I don't do heavy jewelry well. Okay. Alright, so here we have some pretty hoops. Kind of tangled. Hold on. Goodness, someone is blowing up my phone. Alright. They are gold tone. I will check here for a mark. They do have something. I'm wanting to say it says 925. But they're gold tone. So I don't know. They are either gold or 925. Maybe they're just tarnished and they look gold. So I'll clean them up and I'll look at them a little bit better. But those are nice and they're lightweight. Those are pretty. Well, this is better, much better than my other one. At least this one has names that I can read. I did look at the other box, and there were several that didn't have any markings on them, so, you know, I'm guessing just costume. Okay, Chico's. I'm assuming this could be a necklace or a belt. Yeah. Does have the Chico's tag right there. Looks like it's just some leather and some beads. But yeah, I think you could probably use it as a necklace or a belt. They made a lot of, I used to buy from Chico's years ago, and they made a lot of, wow, is that broken? No. They made a lot of stuff like this that I used to buy years ago. So I'm kind of familiar with their stuff. Alright, so yeah, I'm really excited about this one. Quite a bit excited, actually. This says it's another Stella and Dot. It's just like a a choker with that's not, well, yeah, it looks like leather. But it's pretty, very simple, very elegant. A little black dress, be very pretty. I'm guessing this is a J. Crew. Just the color scheme. That I'm learning. J. Crew, I'm learning how to spot that, I think. Let's see. Let's see if I spotted it right. No! Darn it! And it's another Stella and Dot, which is fine. But that's a really pretty statement piece. I love those colors together. I think they're very pretty. And it's in good condition. No stones are missing. Yeah, I like that color combination. So, Stella and Dot. And here I thought I was being smart. Not. All right, I have 2 more pieces. This is really cute, and watch it not have a mark on it. I don't see one. This is adorable. Look at that necklace. It's got a little submarine. It's a diamond. It's got an A. I don't know. The silver balls have an A on them, and the gold have like a triangle. Can you see that? So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what this is. I don't see any maker's mark on any of it. It's pretty heavy. I don't know. It's nice. Different. I guess I would wear that. All right, and here we have some gold tone hoops. Let me see. They do say something. Well, what do you know? Monet. Monet has a number, patent number 240.252. Monet. I don't know anything about Monet jewelry. I've heard people speak of it. But they're just these cute little gold tone hoops. I don't see any other marking except for the Monet, so I doubt that they're gold. Maybe plated, but they're pretty. Yep. Very pretty. All right, so I think I got a good box. I'm happy with it. I mean, I'll probably list and sell most of it. Let me count real quick. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 14. I counted twice. Unless I'm missing something, I got 14. No, 15. The ring. Okay. So, yeah, I'm happy with all of this. I am mixed feelings about the Pandora 30th birthday daughter. I'm not going to list this. Junk. Somebody will like it. This I need to research. Just says P, right? Pure Vita bracelets. So, I mean, I don't know. I don't know the significance of it. But I got some Stella and Dot. I got this that I don't know who it is. Okay. So, I had to get my dogs quiet. I got this beautiful bracelet that I don't know who it's made by. It does not say. But I do know that these are 14 karat. Just these end caps for sure. I will look into this, but that's a beautiful bracelet. So this is probably my favorite piece out of it. Something I would even wear. I do like this one that I don't know who it is. And this has no maker. It's odd and unusual, so I like it. But my favorite, I think, out of this whole lot are the bracelet, the Stella and Dot earrings, and these gold hoops, Monet, which I will look up. But those are my absolute favorites out of the box. I like it all. There's only like 2 pieces that are iffy on quality, I guess. But overall, it was a good box. I think it's a great box. And I get to research some more jewelry before I list it. So anyway, yeah, good. That is my last jewelry box. The only thing I have left coming are fun boxes, and a lot of them. So I'm not going to be ordering any more boxes until after my vacation, probably, because I don't know, this week's sales have been like crazy slow for me. Very unusual. I have days where I get no sales. It's like quiet, deathly quiet, and that is not usual for me. So I'm not going to spend any more money until I know I have plenty to go on vacation and a little nest egg on top of it. So, but I'm really happy, and hopefully I will bring you a short little edge coating video today so I can get my Rebecca Minkoff handbag listed. It will be short. I apologize. I will do a longer, more in detail one in the next few days. But we will have a fun box tomorrow because I'm getting one tomorrow. So I'm excited about that. I'll be glad to get just fun boxes and not have to worry about stressing out over researching or putting it up for sale, because I get those just for fun. It makes me happy to get those. Goodness, I need to learn to start closing my door so that they don't bark at every car that drives by. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope I got some good stuff. I will research what I don't know, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. Thanks for watching. Lily out.